is it too late for me to start a YouTube channel in the year 2020? That's what we're about to find out. Let's go. So I've been uploading videos here on YouTube for the last 5 months, and twice a week. I get around 70 till 500 views a video. So it made me think, what can I improve? What can I do better? I'm not talking here about thumbnails or keywords or whatever. I think you heard that around 1,000 times and you know it's really important. I always thought, hey Simri, I'd rather have a 3 minutes video which is really good, looks very professional, every cut, every word is perfect, instead of a 10 minutes video and everything is sort of okay, maybe it gets a little bit boring, too much talking, but I have to say I was wrong. This is an amazing bridge. So if you want to know where we are, it's called Traversinersteg. But we are not here to talk about bridges. We're here to talk about the watch time of YouTube. What is the #1 thing for YouTube, the company? They want us, the audience, to keep watching or to be on the platform as much as possible. That's why the watch time is really important. I was thinking, if I upload now a 3 minutes video and it's perfect, let's say, I know it's not possible, but let's say it gets 100 views and everybody's watching it from the beginning till the end. So YouTube knows, alright, if we promote this video, we know the audience will watch it for 3 minutes. If I upload a 10 minutes video and let's say you turn it off after 50%, YouTube knows the people will watch it for 5 minutes. So which video will be better promoted for YouTube? The 3 minutes video, which gets 100% watch time, 3 minutes, or the 10 minutes video, which gets 50% watch time, but it's 5 minutes. Think about that. 'Cause we are the champions, my friend. Da, da, and we keep on fighting till the end. Da, da, da. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions. Oh, okay, I stopped singing. She says nice singer. I guess you understand it means no singing. She doesn't like my voice. But I love singing. I am singing in the rain. Okay, sorry. I better shut up. That's why I'm trying to upload now every minute, at least for 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I don't know yet, just to increase my watch time. And you know, usually I will be talking here on YouTube about traveling, how beautiful this place is and what we're doing and the trees, and show some B-rolls and stuff about traveling, but it's not good enough. I don't think I can make the race if I just do these travel vlogs. So, and it makes sense, I need to have in every YouTube video a little message. Wow! Maybe to learn something or to share something, how to take photos, how to take better B-rolls. That's what I will try to start also. That's what my concept is. Woo! Check out the view, it's just amazing. Beautiful Domleschg, yeah. This is my hometown. Beautiful Switzerland, wow. Just incroyable. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Crazy. Is it too late for me to start a YouTube channel in 2020? I think the key for YouTube to be successful is to have long videos. It's the long-term videos, not the short-term videos that will be successful, I think. And so, yeah, I will change my plans and try my best to do a 10 minutes video and try my best to keep it interesting. It's pretty hard, I think, especially if we want to upload once or twice or 3 times a week. Once a week it's possible, 2 times, let's see, and 3 times or 4 times a week it's like you really have to work every day editing and think about ideas so it doesn't get boring. So yeah, that's my experience so far with the YouTube platform. What do you think about that? Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. And I will do it now for 12 months, for at least 1 year, 2 videos about 10 minutes every week, and let's see where it takes me. YouTube is a learn platform, it's a teaching platform. I really want to get more views. I think if I've been working like for, let's say, 4 hours of filming, 4 hours of editing, 8 hours on a video, and it gets around, now don't get me wrong, if you get 100 views, that's cool and everything, but I think my goal is to get at least 1,000 views per video. I think I know what YouTube wants to achieve, and so let's see if I get more views and more subscribers. That would be, of course, very cool. And it really motivates myself if I get like every day 1 or 2 new subscribers. It's really cool. That's why it keeps me going with the YouTube stuff, and I just love YouTube. I mean, it's my favorite platform. I learned so much from it and enjoyed watching other guys travel videos and stuff. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say, instead of just showing you guys my way up here to Helvetia. Also talk a little bit about YouTube and about my feelings and about my way of how I approach YouTube from now on. Alright guys, let's keep going. Woo! Time to say goodbye. Alright, we're heading back to the car. Was just a really cool day. Like, it's just so relaxing to go for a hike, take the kids along, get a fire going, do some sausages. What else do you want? Man. Oh. Oi. Oi. Oshkat pra ushkat ta sha pa pa pa. So, and Melina sleeping. Yes. So I need to be silent. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, like and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one. Woo!